Good afternoon, Screwfix. Speaking to Jem, how can I help?
Hello, this is Peter.
Okay. How can I help you today?
Hello, is this Screwfix?
It is.
Okay, I'm Peter Sakiev. Do you sell
Okay.
do you sell 3-inch tubes?
Do you sell what, sorry?
Like iron tubes that are like 3 inches wide? I mean thick.
3-inch wide cubes.
3 inches thick tubes, sorry.
Tubes.
Tubes.
What sort of
yeah.
tubes are you?
Iron
What
tubes.
sort of tubes? Not as far as I'm aware.
Okay, well, do you have like, well, let's say a big hammer?
A big hammer?
Yeah.
What sort of hammer are you after?
A sledgehammer that's, you know, as big as possible.
Only a second, just take a look for you.
You're looking for a sledgehammer?
I am, yeah.
Okay, good. Tell me when you're done.
Have you got a price range at all?
Hmm?
Have you got a price range at all?
I don't think that's any of your business. But, yeah.
Okay. There's a £14 fiberglass sledgehammer for £33.99.
Is that the biggest one available?
That is the biggest one available.
Okay. What's the handle made of?
Fiberglass.
Oh, okay. Good. Now, do you have any lubricant?
What sort of lubricant?
Silicone.
Only a second. Take a look now, please.
Thank you very much, Mr. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Only a second. Was it the lubricant gel you were after or a spray?
Both. I'll try
Both.
them. I'll try them both. I don't really know which one's better. I've never tried it with a sledgehammer.
Only a second.
Yeah.
Yep, they got the PTFE lubricant. Is that what you were after?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's $6.99.
Okay, but just I want to know from experience, since you're at Screwfix. Have you guys ever like tried to put a sledgehammer up your ass?
No, unfortunately not. I haven't ever tried that.
Okay, because that's why I'm buying this.
Oh right, okay.
I have this like habit of putting like stuff in my ass.
Oh right, okay.
So how much does this all cost?
Give me a second. £46.98.
How much would that be in euros?
I'm not sure. We don't take euros, I'm afraid. Only take sterling.
No, but I'm selling it to my friend.
You're selling it to your friend. You
Yeah,
have to convert that then, I'm afraid.
I'm buying it from you, and then I'm selling it to my friends for cheaper.
Right. Okay, you would need to convert that yourself, I'm afraid.
Okay. But next up, do you have any saw blades?
Yeah.
Round ones.
Round one.
Yeah, round circle blades.
Give me a second. Take a look for you. Any particular size you were after?
Biggest one.
Give me a second. For a circular saw? Yes, no?
What?
Hello?
A circle saw blade. Do you have those?
Yes, we do.
Okay, and the largest.
Have you got pardon?
The largest, strongest one.
The largest and strongest one.
Yeah, so it doesn't break when I put it in my ass.